Ha ha ha. Seems as though I'm talking about tips on here. Here's something else I wanted to show you. Okay, I had this plugged in and I was having a hard time charging this because of this, okay? I kept plugging it in, kept plugging it in, kept plugging it in, and I was having problems with it. And I went to the phone store, and funny enough, she reached in there like with a little safety pin or a, oh, what was it? Paper clip. She unfolded it. She started digging stuff out of there, and I thought, what the heck? There was all kinds of lint in here. And I'm looking in there. You can't really see it, but there's some lint in there, plus my little jack ends here. I don't really use those much for anything, but those are full of lint too, because I keep it in my pocket. And just over time, you get all kinds of lint in there, and the lint was causing my outlet not to work in here every once in a while. And I thought, you know, part of the time it was this, so I've got that replaced now. I got this one here, the braided cord one that I just showed you. This one's slick too, 6 foot long too. But I'm gonna clean this out. So every once in a while, get yourself a paper clip or something and fish in there and dig stuff out of there. You'd be surprised at how much lint gets in there. Once you get too much lint in there, it's gonna keep your phone from charging properly. Okay, there's a tip for you.